What are the skills required for career in AI? I think if you are on this webinar, you probably are well aware and already know about it. Right? I'm not going too much in details. I'll just skim through. You have technical skills. So you need to understand some programming languages like Power, Python, R, Java, or any other upcoming languages like Go and Ruby and all that. Algorithms, data, DSAs, right? DSA is the term that used. If you want to work in big 5 companies like Mang or Fang organizations, algorithms and data structures is very crucial to get into these big industries. Knowledge of AI frameworks, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, right? All the certifications many institutes are offering. This is what you learn there. There are some tools that you should have hands-on on. This is kind of, if you want to come into an AI field or data science field, some tools are the most important. And one of the tools I can recommend is Excel. You will say our Excel is there since what, 30 years now, 40 years in the industry. Still, it is very relevant. Basic Excel, advanced Excel. I would say the first tool you should ever learn if you want to come in data science tool is Excel, right? It brings you closer to how you look at data, how you understand data, how you do build insights. All other tools are way to automate something that you do in Excel. Okay. Or handle big data. That's the only difference. Everything is possible in Excel, right up to statistics and regression technologies, regression techniques. Okay. Machine learning is also possible. Yes. Up to regression. Even logistic regression is possible in Excel sheet if you have advanced plugins in that. Mathematical skills, yes, are required. It's good to have. You don't have to become proficient or expert into it, like linear algebra. Very basic surface level is fine. Probability statistics. In fact, this is something that you learn in schools, right? 8, 9, 10 standards. So nothing more than that. Just brush it up. That's fine. Optimization techniques. What I mean is specifically to neural networks. If you want to get into neural networks, computer vision, natural language processing, how chatbox works, how machine learns, how they are optimized, that's where these optimization techniques will come. Otherwise, no. Okay. Soft skills, very much overlooked. Okay. Just being a very good technologist doesn't mean you will be highlighted or found out in the industry, right? If you want focus on yourself in your career, being an entrepreneur or in a good job profile, you need to have very good soft skills. Soft skills means you need to able to articulate or translate your thoughts very well to whoever the person is listening or on the other side of the table. Okay. For that, of course, you need to have problem solving and logic building capabilities, right? You don't just open your laptop and start writing a code, right? You first need to understand what is to be built. That is, what is the problem you are trying to solve? What is the business sense of it? Convert it into a technical architecture and then write code, right? That if you cannot connect the dots between what is to be done in the real world scenario and what is to be simulated in the digital world, the coding or AI, this will not come natural to you. If programming, coding, AI, data science needs to happen naturally to you, you need to have problem solving and logic building capabilities. Okay. Communication skills, of course. When I say communication skills, I'm not saying you need to talk very fluent English. That's not what I mean by communication. Yes, it helps because it's a global language. If you speak good English, it's good to have. When I say communication, it is passing the thoughts that you have, articulation. That's what I started with, right? You need to articulate it well, right? Teamwork and collaboration. Of course, if you are looking to take some jobs or even become an entrepreneur, you cannot be just an individual contributor. Okay, don't disturb me. I will sit in some corner and code myself and go home. You will not grow in your careers, neither in your job profiles. You need to see how to work within the teams. In this era where all the technologies, the distant learning, everything is distance, right? Everything is everywhere. It's webinars. Very hardly now we meet each other, right? It's all digital. Through the screens, we are interacting with each other. Somehow we are losing the touch of how to work with other humans. So that teamwork is something very important. Without teamwork, good solutions are not built. And collaboration. Collaboration means everyone does not have all skills required, right? I may be good in X, you may be good in Y, someone else may be good in Z. They all have to come together and then the innovation happens.